How to set alerts on IQ option app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to add or set alerts easy and fast on IQ option. So first thing, we go to IQ option, and now you have to go to the right. You will find those options and click here on this icon like this, and here you go. This is the alerts option. Now click here and wait a few seconds. Let's click again. Okay, you click here and then you will be able to add or create alert easy and fast method. And that's it for today's video, guys. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe if this video was helpful.